Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, it's bigger than music. When Vybz Kartel made that statement saying the song titled Up Top Gaza featuring TJ, which debuted in April, when fans asked why the track was not trending, and the teacher pointed out that certain artists were submitting their songs as ads to be played across the web all over the globe, and that is why they were accumulating views, not accumulating them organically from the platform. Some artists, they take offense, but never because of the music or that statement. Now, Foota I've exposed some artists, viewers and subscribers. Intence. First and foremost, Foota said Vybz Kartel are the biggest girl in a dancehall currently. Him say, "Wanna feel like say Kartel and Intence have problem over song." Him say, "Member say Kartel stay at jail and take the Intence girl." Now, viewers and subscribers, I rebel him attack. Now, they are stating that, well, Foota is stating that Intence, viewers and subscribers, take away mama phone, and within that phone, him see some pictures, viewers and subscribers, and him see who the pictures were being sent to. Now, Foota even got into detail. Him say one of the time is a shoes lace she used and tied the phone on the bulb so that there was a clear view while she dip on her head upside down doing her dancing. And you know mama can dance. Yeah, we know mama can dance. They must say she and Spice them travel all over the world, and she's responsible for getting the crowd in that mood. Now, viewers and subscribers, it's bigger than music. It is not necessarily saying that the song where Intence did drop was subpar. Of course, that Up Top Gaza should have been the track trending. We know that. So that was a true statement within itself. But now to hear that this are actually way to forward from viewers and subscribers, point to the fact, say, yo, first and foremost, a bad mind, some artists bad mind. When them a try to say a Vybz Kartel have a problem with artists, the teacher has no problem with any artist in the dancehall music, viewers and subscribers. Why would the leading artists in the dancehall genre have a problem with other artists and them not up on him level? A girl thing. And in a majority of situations where you see take place, what always the cause of it? Girl thing. Always girl thing, viewers and subscribers. Are feelings them a carry. Now, some people also point to the fact that the relationship between Intence and her was a sham, and that Intence is worried that there's things that will be revealed by her should she be asked these things. Some other people are say, well, shall get page and shall get this. Well, a Gaza government, she not afraid of the young man. They have to see her and wish her well now. What them gonna do? They have to see her and wish her well. Now, Foota also touched that topic as well. First and foremost, Foota referred to him as the Sprat, saying that his preferences are, you understand, not what dancehall would consider straight. So with even that being said, viewers and subscribers, you see why at this moment in time, Intence is basically in damage control. We say release a song where they talk some things about Foota. We know about Foota. We know say Foota is a man more while him chat like him a girl and you know what I mean, talk about things when have him concerned and follow up some things. We all know, we know Foota style. But at the same time, these statements are not from Foota. These are from the girl herself. And she now make up no story upon herself. Why should be making up a story for herself? For what? We don't see it. Might be. But at the same time, this don't look like it paint the person that she was with in a good light. And at this point in time, it is official. Them now link no more. Them now link no more. She has been rescued from a certain lifestyle. I don't know what kind of lifestyle that, because if one boy in a trait, then you know, with them kind in a union, I don't understand the settings there. There's also a statement being made about her preferences as well. I don't know about that. I don't know her personally. I don't know Intence at all. We see him sing them on the platform, listening to song to a duration. They have a vibe. We start to hear some statements. We start to the image. We have to wait. This don't look now on to dance hall. You know what I mean? And that was it. Then the statement got make. And that was it. We don't listen to them song right now. You know what I mean? We even hear statements I make about the people in the camp. And as a matter of fact, you know Foota go. Once Foota start talking, first and foremost, he go start make statements about the people that around him, the whole conglomerate. So he must say from high water right across the boat to Intence. He must say, yo, over there, so. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. I don't know if I just Foota being Foota. Even if you like say, oh, these are speculations and make him make up this. This is unconfirmed. We hear people that say are true. And as I'm say, Mama herself said this. So this is not Foota's statement. We now discuss what was said by Foota. No. We are discuss what Foota said. She said. And for him have that as him statement saying these are not opinions of my own. He would can know in the phone. Him say I take one boy take our phone and locate these images. So with that being said, if Ashia said them statement here, this wouldn't be no publicity for him. Because it's actually painting him in a different picture to the public eye. The other statement them Foota make about him in preferences, in orientation, that also is something where is a dancehall no, that can be a career ender. This can be something where end in career. So that's something to think about. Just say I saw it go, and for this moment in time, dancehall music I feel say wait. Because these speculations, these statements were made by other people in the media too as well. You know what I mean? Some other people them that say are off the same orientation preferences. So them are gonna start to know if them man they say way, then a true if the cat way David also I saw it go, then wait. Gone. After the new statement, viewers and subscribers, they must say some man a fish in a sea, and you know a beach we go. Every girl in a bikini reach me there. Burn them the teacher say. Now viewers and subscribers, talk to me in the comment section. The comment section open. Make we know how feel about the Intence. If I forgot make a statement to address this, just the song we're gonna release not gonna be enough. The song being released will not be enough. No matter how much places him submit the song as a ad to, how much site to watch movies, series, no matter. Yo, the views not gonna be an adequate response. He must go make a statement. Will dancehall believe? Dancehall are people like this. Dancehall people think for themselves as much as some people like to talk like, oh yo, people think for no. Remember Sting? Yeah, dancehall fans think for themselves despite what some people might want to make it look. You might have a fan base and you can say what you want to say to your fan base. But remember, these individuals in the dancehall music listen to other people as well. People know fact from fiction. So when you make a fictional statement, people will point it out. Remember, say them individuals, yo, these are individuals some community where people know them foreground, but they never say background. Because them that one will say that. We not say that. Why? People know their foreground. People know them story. The people have them file. So regardless of them statements, them never grow up a space. Them grow up on the lane with other people knowing say, yeah man, it's them youth there. Hey. So when they make certain fictional statements, there will always be people who are in the know, who know say what you know, and not say it going. That is far from the truth. And if they should choose to reveal the truth as it look in this case, then this could be something where can end a career. Talk to me in the comment section. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and that is how you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also there as well. Drop a like on the blog. Share icons in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother. But check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, the comments, and your opinions there. And yes, we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is going to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.